Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be doing a windshield replacement on this beautiful 2011 Ford Raptor 6.2 liter. And at the end of the video, we will be doing a burnout for you guys. So stay tuned. Here we are in the Raptor. It's a 2011 6.2 liter, and there's the brand new windshield that was just installed. Looks very nice, very clean install, yeah. And we are on the way to do the burnout as we promised in the beginning of the video. Are you excited? Perfect. It's baller, dude. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.